Okay, ladies, are you looking to get a crochet style, but you are not sure which style to get, and you are dealing with thin hair or thin edges? Well, this is the perfect video for you. I have the perfect hair solution for the perfect style. Continue to keep watching and see how this beautiful style was accomplished. Yes, this is 12-inch go-go curls, color 427, and it came out absolutely gorgeous. So let's step into this video. Giving you a beautiful crochet hairstyle. Yes, this crochet hairstyle is absolutely gorgeous. It came out absolutely amazing, even with her thinning hair around her edges and at the top. So yes, as always, you know, I start off with moisturizing and hydrating my client's hair with what? Our G&G hair growth butter. Yes, our G&G hair growth butter is made with 100% all natural ingredients to do what? Promote hair growth. Yes, so I am going to start off by giving her a deep head and scalp massage. Yes, ladies, I do a deep head and scalp massage with all my clients when they come in, because the first thing I want to do is make sure that their hair is hydrated and moisturized. And I am going to actually do a close-up in just a minute to show you the difference in what your hair looks like before using our G&G hair growth products and after using our hair growth butter. So here, as you can see in this area, not only am I moisturizing, hydrating her scalp, but her hair as well. Yes, ladies, look at the difference. Look at the part that I just used the G&G hair growth butter. Remember, G&G stands for grandmother and granddaughters, because my granddaughter helped me produce and manufacture our hair growth butter. So look, this is the difference. This is the top part without the G&G hair growth butter, and this is the bottom part. Look at the difference. You can tell that her hair is definitely hydrated at the bottom and it is moisturized really well. Then I go in with my brush process. Yes, ladies, brushing is super essential to hair growth. You want to brush your hair as much and often as possible, because brushing helps stimulate your hair follicles. Yes, you want to stimulate those hair follicles, because that is what promotes hair growth. So yes, I'm going to go in and I'm going to take my time and brush her hair and love on her hair. Yes, ladies, this is what we have to do. We have to love on our hair so that our hair can begin to grow. Not only am I brushing in the areas where she does have hair growth, but I'm also brushing in those areas where she has hair loss. Look how I am gently going in, and I am using a wooden brush. Ladies, this is the brush that you want to use, not the little cheap plastic brushes. Yes, they do serve a purpose, but they do not serve the ultimate purpose. These wooden brushes are the truth. This is what you want to use. This is the professional brush. So make sure you go out and you purchase a wooden brush and brush your hair as often as possible. As you can see here, I've started her braid pattern, and I'm giving her a healthy braid pattern, not only just for her hair, but for the style that she's going to receive. As you can see here, I did singles in the front, because I want to reduce as much pulling stress on her edges as possible. And now I am going to do what I call the tuck method. So yes, the edges, her edges, instead of braiding them back, I braided them down. And that is because, again, I want to reduce as much pulling, tension, and stress on her edges as possible. And this is the trick that I do. I just crochet that braid into the braid going to the back, and then I just kind of tuck it in there with the crochet braid. But what I want you to do too, ladies, is take a look at how hydrated her hair is. After using our G&G hair growth butter and our hair growth oil, her hair is completely moisturized and hydrated, and it looks so healthy. And again, this is the singles that I did in the front, and I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to kind of tuck it in these other braids by using the crochet method, and I'm just going to crochet that braid into the braids going to the back. And again, that is to reduce as much pulling, stress, and tension on her edges as possible. This way I am not pulling them back, and I'm not putting that stress on it, which can cause more hair loss, and that is not what we want, ladies. We want to promote hair growth and not hair loss. So look at that trick that I just did, and I'm going to do that with each single braid that I did in the front. I'm going to crochet and do that tuck method into the braid that's going to the back. And again, this is a good trick to use, especially with those who have hair loss, thinning hair, alopecia, damaged hair, and even those who have healthy hair. You can also use the same braid pattern, because what we want to do is prevent any hair loss and any hair damage as much as possible. And this is a great trick that is healthy for her hair as well as perfect for the style that she's going to be getting. Again, she's going to be getting a beautiful crochet style. And here is the next step, ladies. I am using the stretchy net, and I'm going to use this net in the area at the front and around the edges where she has hair loss. Why? Because this is the area that I want to still be able to crochet to, but because she doesn't have any hair here, I'm going to use this stretchy net to be able to crochet her hair, to crochet hair on this net to give her that fullness that she wants in the front. Yes, ladies, we want to make it look as natural as possible so that no one will ever know that she has any hair loss, any hair thinning, any alopecia, or anything in the front and around the top as possible. So again, ladies, I am going to be using my custom closure. Yes, my custom closure is super amazing. It is especially excellent for anyone who has thin hair, short hair, damaged hair, thinning hair, hair loss, or alopecia. It gives you the fullness in the front, as well as versatility to be able to wear your hair in a left side part, a right side part, a middle part, whichever way you would like to wear it. It makes it versatile, and again, it gives you the fullness in the front that you want, so no one will ever be able to know that you had any hair loss or any hair thinning in those areas. So here you can see I have already started crocheting. She is using some ocean waves, and they are absolutely gorgeous. She has the color 1B30, and it's a mix, and I tell you, this hair was very easy to work with. She got it from Amazon. It came in 8 packs in what they call a lot, which is 8 packs all together, and this is enough for her entire head. I mean, this hair was absolutely easy to work with. Again, like I said, I was able to do the knotless method, the regular traditional crochet method. I mean, this hair was definitely easy to work with. So if you haven't tried it, go on Amazon and check it out. Again, it's Ocean Wave, color 1B30. I am just loving how full this is coming out already. Again, I'm using my custom closure on the side so that she can have the fullness that she wants in the front and on her edges. So this is the closure right here, and I'm going to show you just how easy and simple it is to crochet on that closure. Look at that. This is going to look just like her natural hair. She is going to be able to wear it in several different styles. and several different parts. She doesn't always have to wear this right side part if she chooses not to. And again, this style came out absolutely gorgeous. Continue to keep watching and you'll see how I completed and created this style. I am still going to give you lots of tips and tricks that I did while creating this style, so continue to keep watching. And oh my gosh, look how beautiful this is coming out. It is absolutely gorgeous. It's not tangling. I mean, this hair is just amazing. Again, tap the link in the description below to get your order in for our G&G hair growth products, as well as to get any of the products and items that we have on our website. Tap the link, it will take you to our website and you can get your order in today. Please remember to support my channel by subscribing, giving me a thumbs up, and please do not forget to tap that bell so that you do not miss any of my new videos, as I upload new videos every single day. Look how beautiful and full this is coming out. Again, no one is ever going to know that she had any hair loss, any hair thinning, any alopecia, or anything in the front and on the sides. Continue to keep watching.